Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And as the part of exercise, I need to grab the random table topic for today's exercise. Let me see what's the table topic that I got. Okay, the table topic that I've received is what are you most grateful for? What are you most grateful for? What are you most grateful for? I'm grateful for the life that I have today. Why? Because often what we tend to do is we often be the part of the world and be trapped in some kind of loop where we constantly trying to compare our life with somebody else. We have regret. We think that why I end up like this. We have, and recently I read something that uh, this world, the most people are really sad, and it reminds me that yes, it is true that we are often constantly comparing ourselves with each other, and it's not in a good way. And during this part, we often tend to forget what we have today. There are people who are less fortunate than me. And in today morning, I was reading a book, and the author was studying that humility is the one part of trait that he want to have throughout the life. And he shares one example that when he was born with a severe deformity in legs, and then he uh, he was operated, and because of the decision taken by his family and decision taken by a doctor, and when he around 30 years 30-40 years later, when he achieved something and he was sharing the news with his grandmother. His grandmother said that always remember that what you were. Don't be don't be trapped in that. Yes, I have achieved something, achieved very big, and like kind of demigod kind of thing. Always remember that where you start with the life that you have is a decision made by your family and your doctor. So you always need to try to be grounded. And that's the message that I want to again impart, is that always remember who you are, and do not try to compare your life with others, because your struggles are not same, and their struggles are not the same. Yes, there are people who are fortunate than you, but also look at the people who are less fortunate than you. Just try to improve yourself. Just compare yourself with yourself only. Do not compare with others. Thank you. Over to you.